channel. This video is going to be my September Boxycharm unboxing. I received the box yesterday. I sat down to film it and I just was not happy with how the video went, and so anyways, this is my second time filming it, and for this time around, because I already knew what's in the box, I went ahead and used some of the products so you could see what they look like on my skin tone. And then yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this style of video, and so it's not a surprise, I know what's in here. If you're unfamiliar with what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 a month subscription service. It is a beauty subscription service. You get 5, sometimes 6 full-size makeup items. When we get 6, we get a deluxe size item, but usually full-size items, makeup or skincare. This month is box. The theme of it is wildflower, so that is pretty exciting. I get everything in here should be kind of like a wildflower theme. There are 2 coupons on the back, one for Laura Geller and one for Dr. Brandt. I'll have those in the description box. If you're interested, check that out. Let's get into what's in the box. One of the things that is in here, and you probably can see the swatch on my hand. I tried to wash my hand and this is just not coming off. And this is the Hank & Henry Matte Liquid Lipstick in Petal Pusher. When I opened the box, I saw this. I thought it was a bullet lipstick because of the way the packaging is. I thought, okay, I can pull it open, it'll be a bullet lipstick. It's like, oh, great idea. But no, it is a twist, you know, doe foot applicator. The color, I'm wearing it on my lips today. So it is that like, I'm gonna say kind of like a burnt red a little bit. It smells like strawberry yogurt, and I don't know why I get that smell as soon as I open the product. Like, you can smell it in the air. Strawberry yogurt is what it reminds me of. On the lip, it kind of felt a little dry in applying, kind of expected with a matte liquid lipstick, but so far, I mean, I've washed my hand a couple times already and it's just not coming off. So I have high hopes for this lasting all day. The value of this lipstick is $17. Now, I've never heard of Hank & Henry, so this is why I like Boxycharm. I get to try new products, new brands that I've never heard of before and I would have not purchased myself. So that's a pretty cool, we got something new. Next thing in the box is by Laura Geller, and this is the Baked Blush and Brighten, and the shade is Tropic Hues. I have tried a couple of these from Laura Geller before, a couple different shades. This shade I do not have in my collection. It is very smooth, very buttery when you dip into it, and the shade is like a glowy, kind of like a golden pink. So this is what it looks like. Again, I'm wearing this on my face today. I did top it with a highlighter. I like this product. I'm very happy to have the shade because I don't have it in my collection. So I'm excited with this. The value of this is $28. I have purchased those Laura Geller blushes like these before from Ulta during Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. They were in half off, so $14. They were still expensive, so it's really nice to get them in this box. Next thing in here is by Alamar Cosmetics, and this is a trio, a brush trio, an eye brush trio, I should say. And I did not use these because I do not need brushes in my, currently I have a lot of brushes, so I will be saving these for a future giveaway. If you're interested, subscribe to my channel and, you know, catch up on my videos because I will be mentioning future giveaways hopefully soon. I do have a lot of products just put aside for that. So this is what the brushes look like. They got that green handle. We received Alamar Cosmetics previously. We got a eyeshadow palette that I really enjoyed. So I think these would be a good quality. Kind of when I first opened it, I thought they would be Luxie brushes, but Luxie brushes are pink and these were green. So it's like, oh cool, by Alamar Cosmetics. There's a shader, not a shader brush, a crease brush, a packing brush, and an eyeliner brush. These are brushes I would normally use, maybe not the eyeliner brush, maybe on the lower lash line to kind of like tight line. I'm not gonna use them because I really don't need them. I think I would want somebody else to enjoy them. I don't need any more brushes right now. But the value of these brushes is, let's see, what's the value? It is $18. So that's a pretty good deal right there. Next in here is by Butter London, and this is the Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. I think this is like a pizza cutter looking eyeliner. I'm not gonna open it because I really don't want to waste it. It's not something I would use. I hardly ever use any liquid liners. I did today just because it was kind of intended for this box for you to use an eyeliner with this look, but I use one that I have open. I did not want to open this. Again, I will use this. I will put it in a future giveaway. It says on here, Shake Me. And it's Shake Me Up. And it's in pitch black. Maybe I'll insert a picture so you see what it looks like, but I'm not going to open it. And I hope you guys are okay with that. The value of this eyeliner is $19. And the last thing in here, which I did use, is by Pretty Vulgar, and this is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. It was kind of nice to see a change in eyeshadow palette themes. This is a cool tone palette. It's not the typical warm tone that we received. Well, I guess last month it was a very colorful palette, but this is very cool tone, very smoky. When I opened it, I was kind of a little disappointed, but then I used it and I was like really impressed with the quality. They're not patchy at all. I dipped my brush in and the color that I saw in the pan is basically what I got on my eyes. I did not swatch it at all. I just went straight into it. I did use the shade Pillow Talk, kind of under my brow. I did use the shade Hide and Seek in my crease, and the one right next to it, which is Clutch, in my inner corner. I did use I Spy, which is kind of like a satiny brown all over my lid. And I did use the shade Swoop in my outer V in my lower lash line. I was very impressed with the quality of this palette. Like I said, the shadows went in very smoothly. They were not patchy. It was very easy to blend. So I'm pretty happy with this palette. I'm pretty happy that we got it in here. We've received Pretty Vulgar products before in Boxycharm. We had a blush and like a paw eyeliner. The eyeliner I passed on to my sister because, again, not really my thing. But the blush I really like. And this palette I know I'm going to keep in my collection and I will enjoy. The value of this palette is $35. I'll have the value of the box listed on the screen. So if you're interested in that, just take a look on the screen. I did not calculate the value yet. Sorry. And yeah, this is it. So this is it for this month's box. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.